Hello, good afternoon. My name is John, and I want to show you something real quick. I have this 2012 Acura MDX 3.7 and with 135,000 miles in it. So recently, driving back and forth from work going home, and I have a dead miss, which is I replaced I replaced spark plug, I replaced the coils, and I replaced like injectors, and it's pretty much it's still doing the dead miss with and cylinder 2 bank 1. So what I pretty much doing, I did a compression test, and to make sure I take it to the dealer to do like a diagnose for the um, leak down test, and the dealer came back to me and said like I pretty much I need a cylinder head, which is to start with like a $7,000. So I pulled the car in my shop and I take it to cylinder head depot and look and see what I find out. So this is the car, and this is the um, engine. That's something you could do it like easily inside the car. It got a little bit like a lot of stuff to remove, but you still could get access to all the bolts and everything pretty much right there. You don't need to touch like the motor mount. I didn't touch any of the motor mount, and also the starter. I didn't touch the starter. It's still there, and I pretty much remove the cylinder bank 1, and so that I could find out what the problem is. And okay, now you have just try to put like the cut away, and you remove the cylinder head. So right here you could see all the piston look good. That's back 1. Okay, so there's any damage to the engine area, so in the engine black. And this is pretty much the cylinder head right now. Okay, what happened is I found like in the exhaust valve there's a little piece missing in the valve. As you can see, this piece is missing from the valve on the cylinder 2 exhaust valve. So after that, that's the only thing what I'm pretty much doing. I clean up the pieces. I will replace like all the 4 valves, 2 intake and 2 exhaust valves, and I'm gonna do a cleaning. I don't even need to send the cylinder head to the machine shop to get cleaned up, so I'm gonna do pretty much doing it. And after that, I replace the valves. I'm gonna reinstall the head, which is the dealer asked me to replace the whole cylinder head. I'm not gonna need to do that. And then after that, I think I should be good. I should be okay. So I guess you guys, if you experience some kind of problem like that, which is you have a dead miss, the engine is shaking, but the car will still able to drive. And if you replace injectors, you replace spark plug, you replace coils, it's still doing it, you have the next step to do a leak down test, compression test, to make sure you don't have any of the cylinders that have a leak. If you have a leak on one of the cylinder here, you have to remove the cylinder head and find out what the problem is, which is that could be one of the valve got missing pieces, missing a little piece in it right there, and you should be able to get it fixed with like $300 to $500, and you don't need to spend a lot of crazy money. So okay, I think that's it for today, and thank you. We'll see you soon for another video. Bye bye.